Hey beautiful people, welcome to Cool Guy. In this video I'm going to discuss about my Yamaha FZS F5 version 3 BS6 model first bike service. So let's jump into the video. First question, when to go for the first service? So after you complete 1000 kilometers or it's been 30 days you have purchased the vehicle, you must go to the first service. If you have completed the first 1000 kilometers in just a week, then you must visit the showroom to get the bike serviced. Next, what are the maintenance activities that are performed on my bike? In this video, I am going to discuss about the activities which are performed on my bike. Okay. First thing, they have given my vehicle for water wash. Like it took some around 15 to 20 minutes. After the water wash, they brought the bike to the showroom back, and they have changed the engine oil. The first step they have done is they have changed the engine. They have removed the old oil and they filled it with a new Yamalube Optima engine oil. Next, they have changed the oil filter. Like whenever you go for the bike servicing, like be it the second time or third time, they will change the oil filter. It costs not more than 50 rupees, like it's around some 48 rupees. Next, they have cleaned the chain with petrol. Like they have applied the petrol on the chain, and after a while they have cleaned it with a cloth. After it is completely cleaned, they have applied the Yamaha lube on the chain. Like they used the Yamalube on road chain lube, and they sprayed it from a distance of around 10 to 12 centimeters. Next step, they have removed the left side panel of the vehicle, and they have removed the air filter, and they cleaned the dust, but there is very minimal dust in the air filter. Last and final step they have performed on my vehicle is they have applied some grease on the clutch lever, and they have used some oil for side stand, center stand and footrest. So that's it guys, these are the activities which are performed on my FZS version 3 bike for the first servicing. Okay, let's come to the part of costing of the free service. So they have charged me 700 rupees for this free service. In that 200 rupees is just for chain cleaning and lubing itself. So you can see the receipt here. They charged the 325 rupees for oil and 200 for this chain cleaning. So they have charged me 700 rupees in total. Let me know in the comment section how much they have charged you and what are the other activities they have performed on your vehicle. Thanks for watching guys. Have a good day.